Good evening, Absolute Travel Adventure here again. We're having dinner at the Arenal here in Riu Palace Resorts in Costa Rica. Ladies and gentlemen, just to whet your appetites. Kind of things you could expect to have here for dinner. It's going to be a quick video because people are already sitting down eating. And I don't like recording over food while people are already sitting down. That's lobster tails. So this is the seafood section, I guess. On this one, there's no introduction. The salad. Okay, we're moving over to another side. This side looks very impressive. Here we have the kebab, rotary, all the seasonings to go, tortilla and everything. Some gluten-free section right here. All these are gluten-free.
I know where I'm starting.
All this right here.
Yeah, I can. Did you want mashed potatoes? She has her own.
Watermelon, pineapple, passion fruit. Strawberries. So you grab your steak, grab some strawberries and put them on the chocolate fountain. You know how it works. And if you don't want to do that, you could do the marshmallow instead, or the watermelon. So very impressive chocolate fountain. 2. And if you don't like the combination, you can make your own. all manners of sweet stuff. This is your chocolate strawberry already prepared for you. So from here, to this one. Flip to this side, apart from the lovely spoon display here. You have the likes of red velvets. I guess you could see that this video is in no particular order. So I'm still going to the hot plates last. Ice cream.
I need 2 scoops. I need scoops of both. Oh my god.
If you want some crepe, there's some crepe here as well. Ice cream cones as well.
Here, let's get on this guy's video.
They're swinging around for some more good stuff.
I can get you.
Yes. Okay, that's the dessert table, guys. All looking good. Okay, now let's kind of take a look at it from right to left. And just follow these ladies. Pepperoni, beef, chili, pineapple, pizza on the top. All manners of pasta as well. Chili oil, peppers, French fries, onion rings, burger, beef burger, beef and gravy. Hot dogs. Oh, okay. That's the hot dog. And all the condiments as well to go with it. Beetroot. Right there we have cauliflower, cucumber, kind of rice, mushroom, some serious grilling taking place here. Go ahead. Lamb chops. Why I don't like to record with people here, but somehow your block is on the Asian section. and fried rice.
Do the walk around and then you fix the plate.
Absolutely, man. 100%. Okay, jack chicken as well. We're jacking all the way this evening. Paella. Good evening. Okay. Seafood. What's this one called? Let's just call it paella. Okay? Go ahead.
Sorry.
No, please. Please. And this one is some grilled octopus. Okay. Octopus, guys. Okay. Okay, so you get the idea. If you come here, you won't go hungry. Roast of the day is it's a pork leg. Pork leg is the roast for the day. So just very speedily. Thank you very much. Okay guys, this is dinner. And plenty of tables for you to eat and dine in the Arenal Restaurant. Thank you for staying tuned. This is Absolute Travel Adventures. Please like, comment and subscribe. Looking forward to seeing you on the next video. Greetings from Riu Palace, Costa Rica. Good night.